Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Jamaica's world indoor bronze medalist Kieran McLeod secured victory in the men's long jump at the Doha Diamond League meet, which is underway in Qatar. McLeod, aided by a plus 5.2 meters per second wind, leapt 8.52 meters to win the event. Reigning world and Olympic champion Miltiadis Tentoglou of Greece was second with 8.34 meters. Fellow Jamaican and 2019 world champion TVJ Gale was fifth with 8.01 meters. Two-time World Championship finalist Natoya Gould-Toppin ended sixth in the women's 800 meters, clocking a minute 59.74 seconds behind Kenyan winner and reigning world champion Mary Mora, a minute 57.91. Andrew Hudson had to settle for seventh in the men's 200 meters in 20.53. The race was won by American world silver medalist Kenny Bednarek in a personal best 19.67 seconds. And two-time World Championship finalist Natasha Morrison, she will be contesting the women's 100 meters, where she'll face the likes of Britain's Daryl Neita. Teenage sensation Jaydon Hibbert says while not promising a world record attempt in the men's triple jump at Saturday's Jamaica Athletics Invitational meet at the National Stadium, he remains confident that he can achieve the feat. Hibbert owns a personal best of 17.87 meters for the triple jump, which is also the under 20 world record for the event. He has a season's best of 17.33 meters in the event. Britain's Jonathan Edwards has the world record for the senior men's triple jump at 18.29 meters, set back in 1995. However, 19-year-old Hibbert says he's not putting any pressure on himself to break the 29-year-old mark.
What I would say though, it's gonna come based on my training, based on my vision, and based on my perseverance. It's gonna come. But I don't want to think about it every day and be like, oh, world record. And then it doesn't come this day and then it comes another day. No, I just want to enjoy the process. And then when it comes, it'll come at the right time.
Hibbert arrived in the island on Thursday evening for Saturday's Jamaica Athletics Invitational meet, which is set for the National Stadium. Now, 1976 Olympic 200-meter champion Don Quarry has blasted the J3As for the dilemma now facing Jamaica's men's 4x400-meter relay team regarding their qualification for the event at this summer's Olympics in Paris. Quarry, who was speaking on Thursday's edition of Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill and who was defeated by incumbent Garth Gale in the J3's election for the presidency close to 4 years ago, also pointed to a lack of leadership skills among the executive as one of the biggest problems hampering the J3As at the moment.
It's not a matter of fixing, it's a matter of making sure that some of these things don't happen. There's things that shouldn't happen, but inefficiency, lack of knowledge, lack of know-how, lack of connection, that's where we falter. And it's not everybody. As I said, there are a few people in there, and I've worked with a few on different occasions, that will do wonders, but they will never be given a chance because they're not one of the group or they're female.
Now, 4 out of the 5 Jamaican relay teams qualified for the Olympics in Paris this summer at the World Relays in the Bahamas last weekend. And that's where we leave the track for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shamela, back to you.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.